Hey, guess what, man? I'm at Puna, Hawaii, KTA Pharmacy. We got the most amazing pharmacist and the best clerk over here. But who's the festive chef?
Man in the
The
pan.
big chocolate man in the pan! Hey, guess what? I got three beautiful ladies from Hawaii, but who's the festive chef?
Man in the pan.
Hey, big shaka, big shaka. Hey, guess what, man? I got the prettiest girl. She got one unbelievable Instagram. Hey, how they can catch you?
You can find me on Instagram at lisa.openbook.
Lisa.openbook. But who's the festive chef?
The man in the pan. of
Okay,
course.
big shaka man in the pan. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm gonna do something really simple. Being a journeyman meat cutter 45 years ago, when beef prices started to rise, I wrote this book called Big Island Meat Magic to use cheaper cuts and making delicious meals. Baca Ranch 1847 beef, grass-fed. They call this a sirloin tips. You can also use teriyaki beef. You could use like a cross rib. You could use a chuck. Okay, because the meat price is so expensive, it's always good to stretch it. So that's the reason why I'm gonna do a beef cutlet. Cut them in pieces like this. Remove the gristles from the meat. But you have to score it, right? You see how I'm scoring it? Yeah? Just like this. Scoring the beef. Making it soft, breaking all the tissues. Okay, don't cut it right through now. Just score it at the top. Score it on both sides. Okay, we got 3 pieces now, okay? Now, add on some salt. Put some Hawaiian salt on it. Add on some garlic powder. And put in some black pepper. You can put it on both sides. Okay? One side. You got a measuring cup. Put in some tempura batter. Add in a little water. Pancake consistency. Okay? Like a pancake, right? Pancake consistency. This mix, kind of like soak it all in here. Put it in the tempura mix and just kind of cover it. Just like that. And what I do, put on the stove, olive oil, grab some panko. Okay. Alright, drench it in some tempura batter, put it in the panko flakes, just like that. Fry it just like that. Grab your cutlet and you turn it over. Oh, burger looking good already. Man, I only use half pound and the thing looks like it's about 1 pound because I put on the panko and I stretch it out, I flatten it out and I stretch it out. So you need more oil, sometimes because the panko absorbs a lot of oil. Let's generously add some more. Okay, I think it's done, I think it's ready. Get it out. Hot oil with the grease and everything in it. Bring in some onions. Yeah. Saute the onions. You can put a little salt, some little pepper on it, and some little garlic powder. Okay. Add the onions inside. You got all the flavor in here. Looks just like this, okay? We're gonna make like a gravy mix. I got this chicken broth. You put flour in here and just making a roux. Mixing it all up. In here you add some pepper, add some garlic powder, you add some salt. Okay? So I'm gonna make the gravy with this. Okay? All the flavor in here. Stir this out. Put it on real low heat. Okay? And make your gravy. So in order to stretch everything out, you grab your meat just like this, right? You cut it. And I'm gonna plate it. Plate it just like that, right? Adding some onions on the side. The stove. Dump some gravy on top. There you go. Beef cutlet. Gonna look good. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, wow. Oh, it's really good. The onion. Problem with this, once you start, hard to stop. So until next time, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Aloha.